ahead then you fa obi a ye bie ni tiso a technically wa bodam to come and lead the NPP or to chairman Wontumi radio so and all catch we as say Agyapong. Now I want to discuss something with you today, and what I want to discuss with you, is got to do with Agyapong. It's got to do with the primaries now Now there's something going on. I believe say as a Ghanaian, we be say Agyapong the ekoso in sama omo kachre no nipa bi omo party nim omo kache Agyapong no science no o deserve ana. Is he actually reaping what he sowed? Agyapong at a point nyoma bia oyeye as a politician no eno na ende onya ho akwetua e wo MPP mu ana. Somebody will ask this fair question. Let me be very honest with you. Osha Bawumia campaign ni Agyapong campaign na the Bawumia campaign team, they have been very, very diabolical, dirty, and stupid. As much as I don't care about Kennedy, I know Kennedy is not intelligent to be president. I know Kennedy is not ripe to even lead a chicken farm. Osha omo campaign no omo yena Bawumia group no enkofu bi Bawumia group no the way they are campaigning, the deliberate way omo gu Agyapong enimu ase nipa bia omunya nipa anka. With all due respect, Kennedy kura fie yaka say omumbe pe perform kura Kennedy will not allow no. Today those people are looking in the face of Agyapong, calling themselves MPP for, telling Agyapong things on a normal day nobody will tell him. You ask yourself, Eba ne saint na ene ye drew her. It is because Agyapong dear odia ye no eno na ende MPP for and Kwara no omu twachre no. And there are so many people in this party and I'm speaking I'm speaking as an MPP person today. You see, there be one party ni muno. There air koso. She ensembia nipeka on a normal day. Abronye DC wa catch obia wa party ni mu say oye Bawumia nipa. She ensema Abronye DC kafa Agyapong. And you want to tell me, say, Mahamudu Bawumia has not heard any of these? No, he has heard it. Now, say Yatu Abani Ria, is Bawumia going to extend a hand to Kennedy to come and join him campaign around the nation, Anna? Because the kind of things are in Sema Abronye, Chairman Wontumi. Now, my member video been at a point, low life riff-raffs. Low life. Yakas will be a low lifer. Oni ekura. Oni bibian pochen ekura. The life is worth not more than a rat. Yakas say low life. Yes, boy bi. Nini mada obe joining MPP. Koka o sedien. Ne sisru ha nyina washe. A low life rat. On Bobra. Because of Bawumia influence, because of what they are doing in the MPP, such a person to me tina TV so no akase or no pe obi a wabodam. Why should the MPP elect Agyapong a wabodam to lead the NPP? A low life. Okay? When you listen, these are things they are saying on Wontumi radio, and these are Bawumia's people.
Because they need direction, they need purpose. Now we be deal for them. Me boss ye nya ni tu ho adwuma o ye mia ni ti so da nipa me ni adwuma ye mia ni tu so da na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so ma no kwa so contest election ni ya kwa hin obi a what can be party we be deal for atem me boss ye nya ni tu ho adwuma o ye mia ni ti so da nipa me ni adwuma ye mia ni tu so da na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so ma no kwa so contest election ni ya kwa hin obi a what can be party we be deal for atem me boss ye nya ni tu ho adwuma o ye mia ni ti so da nipa me ni adwuma ye mia ni tu so da na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so ma no kwa so contest election ni ya kwa hin obi a what can be party
Sabwe we etna ready say Bawumia ye ne boss na ono ne boss e Bawumia ye mbie ni tiri so. Na then you fa obi a ye bie ni tiso a technically wa bodam to come and lead the NPP. Or to chairman Wontumi radio so. And all catch we say, Agyapong. Because of politics, boy, the Koka was a DN. A low life, Kennedy car Trybal, a bit much a boy, and then my make copies of move. Kennedy Agyapong the car Trybal, a bit much a boy, ne my men and papa, a copies of move. But boy, because of politics, Bawumia, a shed the chi, it's not TV so. Because of primaries, a bien and catch Kennedy say, or no boss Bawumia, ye bien na so on board dam. Na yeden ye kofa obi a ye bien na adwene se on be party ni flag bearer. I'm going to be very honest here. Ma hu se Kennedy nkofo no eye campaign, but when you compare Bawumia Kwara no nyoma omoka. In summer omoka wo TV so ni radio so against Kennedy Agyapong. Then I ask myself, Kennedy Agyapong, and after all this, Sankofo we frau sebedi omuchi campaigner, are you going to get up from your house to say because of party unity, after all these things, in some way you gather your people to follow Bawumia to go and campaign to make Bawumia president. Now low life way catch the bottom. You cannot lead the MPP. I will be disappointed. Say, after all this, say, we are Kennedy Agyapong, I was sorry. Say, I am going to follow Bawumia. Say, boy, we will see you as a madman. Because Uncle say, Ehuka Krampo betone so. Say, Asama mi be manwa king, a your party na mi wom. Party a wom, oni position o. Bawumia na shano. Abronye ade oyema Bawumia. Na ye den na low life way. Ohie ni ba. Ne sesro ha nyina etutu. Eye artificial na hye. Otumi tena radio so ka say, wo Kennedy. Ye bie wa adwene so no wa bodam. You don't deserve. Ono ne boss Bawumia on board am o. Asante na all ka wono. Asante na all ka akira wo Kennedy Agyapong. And it's so I just want to ask my Kennedy. Maybe some a simple question. It's when you and do we are upon in some uncofo when you king. And how aggressive they are just because of power. Are you going to tell your people, your beloved followers, who are going to be beaten on election day? Some of them who are going to lose their lives, which I know for a fact, because the Bawumia MPP, they have decided to do everything to win these elections. Eddie Kennedy, are you going to get up and come stand on TV and say Ghana for me pese me di Bawumia chi na Bawumia equity president inti montoma Bawumia? Are you going to do that? Akompreko. Is that what you represent? Video no sha ya emu ehwem hwe video na. It is painful
because they need direction, they need purpose. Now we be deal call for them. Me boss ye nya ni ti ho adwuma o. Ye mia ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mia ni ti so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni ti so man ko so contest election. Ni ya kwa hin. Obi a what can be party. Me boss ye nya ni ti ho adwuma o. Ye mia ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mia ni ti so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni ti so man ko so contest election. Ni ya kwa hin. Me boss ye nya ni ti ho adwuma o. Ye mia ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mia ni ti so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni ti so man ko so contest election. Ni ya kwa hin.
Now this is disheartening, and I don't blame these people who are being sponsored by Bawumia to do this. It's fine. The party is behind these people. They have rigged the elections already. They will rig, Bawumia will win. But I want to see if Kennedy Agyapong has integrity, has credibility. Into Sankofo where we are. So the Ekaya Nina, Mamma Freman Fanko. Kennedy Agyapong way, one on call for Nina, Mamma Bedi Bawumia. Now, one almost so a bodamono. Wo Kennedy no muso, ye be a wide genesono. One refraps aso quasia. So why didn't you jumano? Now what for in conforma? Say yankodi Bawumia chinonkodi president in the name of party. But in the name of party and focus handsome way. People are saying these things in the name of party. It hurts me. People are saying all these things against you because in the name of party. So are you going to use in the name of party? Senkofo we sisiwu wie. Omo bomu wie. Eji 2 mini wie. Are you going to say in the name of party? Enti omo amodi omo kra to ho. E supporting your musika. They should listen to these things and follow Bawumia. Yeah, my man can be bincho. I might have my differences with Agyapong, and everybody knows it. Agyapong, when I go back and forth, we have even ended up in court. He's not an enemy. The right thing was supposed to be done, and it was done, and I walked out as the victor in court against Kennedy, and it is on record. But you see, for Kennedy to be subjected to stuff like this abuse, this kind of thing, because he he also wants to lead the party. He says Obi bedi party nim and you lose e could do 38% into a percent or no subedi nim. Now who send your party no Ghana begina tum. What is wrong about that? Yen yina ne te party nim. And a year simisi se onko di nim. And ye lose margin binsi world politics muda. And on lusu hunu say okay. Mesuma menko ebia Ghana for humia me hu be yo makono. No mo the same party na ba power biem. Why is this going on? Why is Bawumia? Why is all this going on? And then Bawumia ko shen Kwara or party nim. Bawumia cannot tell me, oh, Bryan can say, my boss. And this boy has been eating from Bawumia's house. He has stood on different platforms to say, he's campaigning for Bawumia. Or say, my boss, yem it is so on board amo. Na ya den na party etim yama bodam ni bedi enim. Na opese bodam ni bedi enim, on pene ma bodam ni bedi enim. Bodam fo achifo na opese be campaign ma. I am being real on this matter. I don't fucking care about the NPP. But Ubebusa said Kennedy, is he reaping what he has been sowing for years? At the point that Kennedy calling for, he was calling for war in Ghana. We were telling you, Kennedy, at the point, you Agyapong, you were saying things you're not supposed to say. John Mahama, Otina TV, so can say, John Mahama. We were telling you, and the rats, riffraffs, and the Bawumia is empowering nobodies to sit on national television, on Chairman Wontumi's radio, to tell the world to say, oh, you beer with this, what bodam. You don't have the right. Party now, do sika shebuno. Party now, okawana mochachireno. You don't have the right to lead the party. Jack. Kennedy, I'm be binchro. Sometimes when I sit here and I tell Ghana for say, Megu pathway, it is for the good of all of us, Kennedy. I know sometimes on Timase, MPP for Timase. So Metrana Meka say, I will say a good pathway, Megu 2028, it's for the benefit of all of us. Mahamudu Bawumia will rig the elections. The executives in the MPP, they will rig the elections. Abronye catch them. Chairman voting in Ayomajuni say they are going to be selective who votes and who doesn't vote. They are going to use the party. Also Bawumia, what say a whole party army. They are going to they will win. They will rig. But after rigging, yenya ya bodam, yenya ye Jimmy. Are we the ones you are going to extend a hand to? Abronye yes anyuma wenyina. Bawumia ni minyansa. Kobeka Abronye. You know, they are okay Canada no wedding. I want to make a statement on what the things you are saying. So Bawumia, you're intelligent politician. Obefra Abronye Shademaka say, you know something? We might need these people because we win the elections. We are going to rig. In fact, the way you are going by your conversation and now your communication, MYA. We are regional chairman. You are not just anybody in the party. I am going to speak against what you are doing. And what I'm going to do is say, I am going to tell you to tone down and so that we should all come together and have a healthy campaign. After that, you can go back and start doing your things. Do that, Keke. It is called for the optics. Your politics. We are strategists. My politics are check. But you see, Bawumia is looking on. He's watching Abronye. He's watching Chema Wontumi. He's watching these boys. They are empowering them. Fanti comedy mo and Kwasiadio mo ye. These people, Bawumia is still sponsoring them because they want to destroy people. Not just destroy them. They want to take them out of the political cycle. And what Bawumia does want to do to Kennedy is say, I'm person good anymore to the point Kennedy. Baby, that is why this boy can sit on Wontumi TV to say Kennedy about them. No, none of boss Bawumia board them.
Because they need direction, they need purpose. Now we be deal call for them. Me boss ye ni tu ho adwuma o. Ye mi ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mi ni tu so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so man ko so go contest election. Ni akwahin. Obi a what can be party. Me boss ye ni tu ho adwuma o. Ye mi ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mi ni tu so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so man ko so go contest election. Ni akwahin. Obi a what can be party. Me boss ye ni tu ho adwuma o. Ye mi ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mi ni tu so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so man ko so go contest election. Ni akwahin. Obi a what can be party. Me boss ye ni tu ho adwuma o. Ye mi ni ti so da. Nipa me ni adwuma ye mi ni tu so da. Na sa nipa ye bia ni tu so man ko so go contest election. Ni akwahin. Obi a what can be party.
Sad, man. This is sad. Bawumia betu Kennedy or party nim. Hey, this is sad, man. And Obi Beka say, oh Kevin, pay MPP asem. Me can't bear remember. Me tia tight am MPP. Fine. The leadership is bad. It's terrible. But what I am seeing at time, yeah, it's terrible. At time, it is disgusting. The MPP ni I'm actually who I'm sure the ekoso, but this is bad. And it hurts me. Kennedy is not good for his health. This going on. Kennedy ba national boy we. And this boy sits on Wontumi TV. Near man of time. Enrichi Kennedy Agyapong, the campaign communicator, lead communicator, or call Wontumi radio so almost cancel show no. Almost almost penny no. Kennedy Agyapong, the campaign no. You see the poor customer campaign no. Call Wontumi radio so I kasa almost try show them cast one funny Jimmy nko. You see, so the platforms no, they have built it to attack Kennedy. And they have to because Kennedy, this is what your record shows. Adia why you know and Kwara de maun. The showdown now. Imbrebi who call it for war. Imbrebi who say Kokuma Hama. Imbrebi Okikan Samono. These people were watching you. They were listening. They were taking inspiration. Are you blaming me? Are you blaming them? You need to blame yourself. But are you going to be stupid to, at the end of the day, tell people following you to go and follow Bawumia after doing this? No. Then you are not human. Then you have no integrity. Now we need answer. Because from what is going on, it is a deliberate attack to destroy you as a person. I can tell you on authority, you cannot beat Bawumia. The system has rigged the elections there already. Hey, yeah. Me, I keep saying, I feel bad for you, Kennedy. Bawumia, I say party no. I destroy everything. It is not worth following. It is not worth investing in. How can a regional chairman sit on TV and boldly say this?
Abona wabuno region no eduru say ye kwa polling station abona me na me ye ho adwuma anti wa wote WhatsApp platform so aso ko pe MPB atunu ebeduru na adin nim because won to be me say won to be wani samu pass abona so aba no won to be because me nya sore ne me nya ti free ne ye mfa homa ntwem akire ede se me kwa koduru ba bia se me catch the car no me apostle Kwadwo me car break nim Nti car no kwa me de me sabo car no mu ana car na nkasa gina. Me nye break ntum. Nti me ka say wontu bia. Polling station one me make sure say it's a matter of phone call. Nam si nipa sumasi. Mon kra na free system no me no wa wie. Ati munya dede no. This is not the first time
Obi amu habia no 1998. Say you repeat one more to about 1996. Ebia na mo amoto 2003. 2023. Yes, I repeat you some about 2046. Ebia. I said, and I said, repeat you. And to the master, sir, I am Bawumia, and I repeat you. Sabi e 40 near repeat you because say nipa du na maame baako na papa baako no muwa na say adibie bi baako no betra so first tafo mo ba biase aye Isaac ne Rebecca ana mo wo ye emramu no ene bibia mu no na Isaac say opese Esau ene bi na ade ana na yire eso say opese Jacob ni na ade
Shebibi. Party not say. But what I can tell you, Kennedy, didn't say, you know, it is up to you. I know you are swallowing a lot of things. It is better you be yourself than to allow these rats to kill you. Be yourself, Kennedy. You are not yourself. Be yourself. Let the people in the party know who you are. Let Ghanaians know who you are. We don't even know who you are again. And internet rats like these can sit on TV and say, Wabodam. Nobody respects you again. Be yourself. Be yourself. Let the people know who you are. Are you going to go back and support these people after all these derogatory things? A man from do which some have integrity, but not because of politics in tea. Bawumia deliberately runs you through the shit. Be yourself. When you are yourself, you are a proud man. Right now, I don't see you as a man who is proud. I see you as a political slave. You are soaking pain because of power. You are soaking insults, disrespect because of power. The same people dragging you through shit are going to tell you to kneel and walk behind them for them to be given bigger power. Are you okay, Kennedy? We are okay. Think about this. They will rig the elections, whether you like it or not. But the people behind you are yedi or matem. Sankura weti TV so kase wa bodam ebi ka o yiri ka o ma. Nipa ya set your almost sell integrity. The omo yano is not going to be recovered again. Are you going to say party in tea? You are going to follow Bawumia around the country as a dog? Are you going to say party in tea? Uno supporters ebedi Bawumia and Sankura wechi as a dog? What the dignity to be ebedi Bawumia chi say kramain. Na compare kuni afro the didn't afro. Unya junso krobo. It is because of something. Be yourself, Kennedy. Be yourself. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. Acheampong, I'm sorry. Acheampong. But there's one video it really worries me. Acheampong, normally I don't do this. Washa in Sambia, omo catch Kennedy.
National Council. Mumisa Kodia said this planning committee report whereby I say a nipa say MPP amanyoku say a person kuoni ye a nipa or damage kuonu okita anti-party behavior our MPP amanyoku eye Kennedy Agyapong asin dumping destroyer otimi koton ye seat edema A+ or no. A report no wo kodua ho sisi ai. E ye kodua nanim ne ntia disciplinary committee aye report to dia ba say yem pam Kennedy Agyapong free kuonum na kodua te report no so emira bi baba e be kan ho asem after 31st no ye be bisa kodua ne enti a ote sa report no so na de ya din ne ye ye nyina ye observe niama emira bi baba ye de be so kodua na nkasa kon ne ye bisa ne say party no was structure ne bi ni say different committee report wa ba say Kennedy Agyapong ni behavior a different man panyin kofo penso wo mo chronicle niama Kennedy Agyapong aya ama ampepi amanyokuo enya kono different committee no chronicle sa niama ni nyina awo Jasin kodua okita report no wona nim nienti abesin ne wonle sa report no before the National Executive Committee and National Council enti mu amoka anti party no obia nim sa Abronye na Abronye attack MPP obia ntena babia nka se MPP me ntena babia nka se MPP ye failure na mo candidate no samoma dwene ya mo say attack Kennedy Agyapong ya attack MPP dia anya na ne wo madwene mu no e wo fam kakra
just say we are regional chairman that this is despicable and this is sponsored by Bawumia. Bawumia cannot tell you and I that he's not heard this and Tiensema Abronye a regional chairman eka and see what the young people in the party Kennedy, this is this is beyond everything and I know that they are going to switch on your wife because that is a conversation that has gone on. Oh, sir, Koka was a dear boy, no. Bawumia ne tia ne rent mano. These are people who are being fed like dogs by Bawumia. Koka, I have an MPP WhatsApp group. Me baba chiro, Kennedy. Sometimes you need some evidence to give you reality check. Hey, I will show you what they are saying in their closed door WhatsApp group. You'll be shocked what they want to do to your wife. And Abronye mu ye way. You are seeing it. It's me busao. Into when you na endi wia. Dear baby, obesa suma onko for mu di wechi say in the name of party. Oti asuma na Abronye ka. Wona wo ye antichrist or party. Iti in the name of party nti omu ye we no. Odi in the name of party nti beda ne kramain. Edi teniwe chisonko ye campaign na because sa teniwe so buwa anko be catch them in call from di say hey mama yemfa enidie ema Kennedy. But you see in all this Mahamudu Bawumia is quiet. He's enjoying it because it is playing well for him. And mo amudi Kennedy echi mo advice no mo amoye MPP from the Kennedy echi, you need to understand it is better the party stays in opposition. Right? They have already rigged the elections. But the chart how they planned the rigging. They have finished rigging the elections. They are a waste of money. They are a waste of money. Hear what Abronye was saying. A party reporter will be ready. You see, and the party in a co-position. Partner say ye ni nyina no krono galamse ewisam nyina ye se wo na wasai party the co-position. These same people will turn around and say Kennedy bekan ye ho ne yenko ye campaign. They are calling you antichrist because Mahamudu Bawumia has given them the green light. Jack, I'm sad today, It is worrying. And you might not like me as an MPP person, it's fine. But it do sometime we need to protect our integrity. Sometimes we cannot be dogs all the time. We cannot be used as dogs all the time. And that is what Bawumia wants to do to you, Kennedy. He wants to do now. They want to turn you into a dog because they know no matter what they do to you today, you will still come back and say, "Party, let me follow them and campaign for them." Jack. This is another story, quite interesting. And it's got to do with this guy. Ghana ya bodamana. Ghana ya nimnyansana. What is our problem as a nation? Yeah, sorry, and nah. You see, chairman of the planning committee for the Christian Council of Ghana's upcoming ecumenical convention, Koku Anyidowu, has underscored the need for clear communication and stronger media engagement to promote better understanding of the council's mission. Koku Anyidowu is crazy. Koku Anyidowu is mental. He's mentally retarded. Koku Anyidowu is an FM. He's a full mental person. How can Peace Council go that low and take somebody to say Koku Anyidowu? He is going to politicize the Peace Council. Now Peace Council say you make Koku Anyidowu the chairman of the planning committee. Koku Anyidowu. Akwa ya ohuria na yese ne take aba wait we ni we psychosis Koku Anyidowu na adwene nya adwuma yi edien pa na mu Koku Anyidowu a Mako the chairman of the planning committee of Peace Council. Now who is going to take Peace Council serious? This fool is going to politicize every single thing about Peace Council. He is desperate. Koku Anyidowu is so desperate. Koku Anyidowu right now, he's hopeless in life. Or a software and also a counselor. Now, Jimmy Nibia ko bibia say because seminary bia ni atamna besi introduce say. And there are some see. Now Peace Council for she say Koku Anyidowu ndie nim koka Ghana ni ban ne bete Koku Anyidowu Wontumi hwehwu. Akwa ne ho bon jot wey. Ono time onya atumi hwa nkwase ade odi tumi ye Koku Anyidowu. Edie na wo Koku Anyidowu a e was a Peace Council ye say planning committee chairman. About 9 years onya adwuma da otifie ena na Gabi mu na hwe no. Na Gabi mu hwe ne say police dog. Koku Anyidowu. Na about 9 years to 10 years otifie. Ye yi na di Wontumi ampa adwuma bi because oni CV papa bia. Koku Anyidowu onya adwuma be 9 years. He has just been snitching and surviving on crumbs from Gabi and the MPP Kufuor. So who on Peace Council can say this guy or was so clean or a respectable person or said the Christian Council chairman as planning committee? What Jimmy Peace Council wana? Into little respect to the Peace Council, no, you have thrown it to the dogs. Koku Anyidowu. Na Ghana for sorry no passe asemesi enti e obi mana betena se akirechiri ma ye nyina akoma to enim Koku Anyidowu. Koku Anyidowu odofunu chan ne ba Koku Anyidowu odofunu echa ono ane yemu ba akwa we na ware oba brim oba epam disi abontene Koku Anyidowu odofunu chan ne ba ne yire oware no Koku Anyidowu. Such a despicable ingrate. Now a whole Peace Council akwa we nya adwuma 9 years ribu say atamels de ndien de okuta pamphlet baako ena ne tu fin ena nkwase akeka ochina we sofo adecha a counselor. The next day he's an interpreter, next day not to Twitter outburst nkwase akam steps or your politician. This guy is a political waste. Obe say Peace Council no ono ne wiase oba no atamels funu no ope. Say yentu atamels funu ma nenweye enum nsuo gusu a ne ho ntono ne vitamins ne atamels funu Koku Anyidowu ne vitamins ordinam wiase e atamels funu say yentu atamels funu ama na anwe anum nsuo anum wi antoso a ne ho ntono. How can you pick a full mental individual to come and lead Peace Council? Edie na mo hwe yenti amuyi Koku Anyidowu. Takwawi. Edie na mo hwe ho amudi yi no. This guy is a piece of shit. Only standards bia. How did we get here?